Although there is no one secret to a powerful presentation, if there were, it would be that your subject is of interest to your audience. The question then becomes, if your audience has to come to your training, if your audience doesn't know if they're interested in your subject, how do you get them connected to it? Well, you understand that everyone is more interested in themselves than they are in you. Now, if you are giving great information, if you're helping a client improve their condition, if you're entertaining, giving advice to your audience, you are going to develop, of course, you're going to develop a relationship. However, always remember they're more interested in themselves than you, which is why we always have to speak as an audience advocate. When we develop our expertise, we are frequently going to be asked to deliver the same type of presentation or the same content to different audiences. And remember, Brother talks about for a performance, you might have played the same music for 40 years, getting in and out of vans, staying in modest accommodation. Fortunately for a speaker, we usually stay in nicer hotels and we don't get out of a van. But he says every time you put your foot on the stage, it is a new experience. This music has never been played to this audience in this venue at this time. It is the first time the assumption of innocence within a context of experience. This is exactly the same with a speaker. What would it mean to you, your career, your company, if every time you stood up in front of 5, 50, or 500, in a boardroom, training center, or convention hall, if you were confident, you were powerful, persuasive, professional, compelling on message, and a resounding success? If you want to accelerate your career, transform sales results, develop leadership skills, or even become an in-demand, highly paid professional speaker, then Fripp Virtual Training is designed for you. FrippVT Powerful Persuasive Presentations is my highly interactive, learn at your own pace virtual training around all area of presentations. It is almost as if I am there, sitting next to you, helping. Fripp Virtual Training is a multi-million-dollar, state-of-the-art, web-based training platform. It is designed to closely emulate personal training and coaching. It's almost as if I am sitting with you 24/7 as your own personal speech coach and sales trainer. Sign up now, take a free trial, and experience 3 of our content-rich chapters. Then join and take advantage of my 30-plus years experience and in-depth study. Make the commitment to your career. Reap the benefits of FrippVT by making it a consistent part of your personal development. You'll be glad you did.